Alright, 2004 Odyssey EX. Alright, so my radio is dead. No interior light. Okay, as you see, the engine is running. Okay, no interior lights, and yeah, that's what I discovered. Okay, the AC here is still working, the clock's still working. This is a daytime, so I don't know if these lights are working. Okay, but anyway, that's what I got. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, what you want to do is you want to go to the underneath the glove compartment. There's a panel here. Okay, there's a fuse panel here, and you open it up. All right, so there it is. Okay, so for me it's easy. Interior light radio. Okay, that's what it looked like. It's probably the problem. So I pulled the fuse out. Okay, this is the 10 amps fuse. Okay, I pull them out, and you know, this is a good fuse. The bad one I pulled out, and I was looking for it, and then I dropped it somewhere, so I have to find it. But anyway, this little connector in here is blown out. Okay, so I'm going to show you where to get the spare fuse, and also this fuse puller, so you can you know, get your car on the road, so you can go buy this fuse. Okay, remember, this fuse is a good working one. Okay, so anyway, it's located like right next to that 215 amps right there. Let's go right there. Okay, just go right there. So you read this is next to the 215, which is number 9, number 10, and the one you after is number 11. Okay, now you can use tester to test each one of these, but because it's clearly say on here that it's interior light and radio, and that's what I got. Right, I don't have no interior light and no radio. Okay, so I just pull that one off, and it works. Okay, so here I show you where to find the spare fuse and the fuse puller for this. Okay, so let me take this one out. So to find the fuse puller and spare fuse, okay, go to your engine compartment under the hood on the right side or passenger side of the van here. Okay, right where power steering, recovery tank, and washer fluid. Right, this fuse box right here. Okay, so you can see on here it say fuse puller, spare fuse. Okay, so that's what you have after the puller and the spare fuse. Okay, so to open it, okay, it's easy. You use two hand. One, you know, put your finger right here and lift this thing up. The other one, push this thing back. Okay, there's a clip right here. You see it? Push it, and then you just push it and lift. Okay, push this thing and lift, and see this thing pop up. All right, take this thing out. Okay, and let me leave it right here so you can see. All right, so up here's a fuse puller right here. Okay, it's black color. I wish they make it white color so you can see it better. But anyway, you just pinch this. Okay, I don't know if it show on the camera there, but you just pinch it. The two in here, you pinch it and you lift it out. It look like that. All right, so the one you after is a 10 amps fuse. So what you do, you take this, all right, on one end, you put it right there. Okay, and then you just lift it out of there like that. Okay, and make sure you pull the right one. Okay, so you always go matching this. It says spare fuse. It's next to the 30 amp cooling fan right here. Okay, see, I don't know, my camera focus. Okay, there you go, 30 amp cooling fan underneath the 340 amps. Okay, so when you look at this, spare fuse, and then it say OE. Okay, that's not OE, that's 30 amps. Okay, it's just upside down. Okay, like you read this 15, but it's upside down. It looked like 5i. All right, So anyway, that's a 30 amps. Okay, so you got this one, and this one. That's a spare fuse matching this. And then up here, there's two more 30 amps. 30 amps, and what's the other one? 20 amps. Okay, it's hard to see on through camera lens there. 20 amp, 30 amps. Okay, so these two is also a spare fuse on here. Okay, and that's it. So you pull that out, you pull this out. Now you take this inside and you put it in. Okay, so here I am back inside the car. Okay, so go to the fuse panel and then start it in like so. Okay, after you have it in place, just pinch on this and pull them out. Make sure you use your finger, push them back in all the way. Sure it's go in all the way. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, so if you happen to put these backward, it's okay. Okay, like if you put backward right now, it say 10, you put backward, it'll say 01. Okay, it's still okay. All right, and now you're done with this job. Close the panel. Okay, so what you want to do, put the key in, turn this thing to accessory. Okay, as you see my radio, the tunnel on right there. I don't know if it shows clearly on the camera there, but there's definitely something alive in there. Okay, I can read it now. Okay, you hear the radio. I need to reset my radio station. Okay, so the radio is on. Okay, radio is on. You see right there, it displays something. I don't know if it shows clearly on the camera. But anyway, most important thing is the interior light is on. Okay. Alright, so mission is accomplished. Turn this off. Alright, last thing is you put this fuse puller back. Okay. So take this out to the engine compartment. Okay, back to the engine compartment where the fuse I just took out is now missing. Okay, put the fuse puller back right here. Okay, the two clip right there, it's go in just like that. Okay, press it down, you see it snap in. Now you go to the auto parts store and buy a fuse and put them back here. Save it for a rainy day. All right. Anyway, I just happen to have a extra. I think this come out of my Nissan way back maybe 10 years ago when I used to own one. Okay, so anyway, these are the extra one. I bought this kit, and so it's the same fuse. Okay, so I don't have to go to the auto parts store. So what you want to do is put this fuse back in. Remember, this is a spare fuse. Okay, and push it in like that. Okay, or you can use your fuse puller. Okay, you just put it on your fuse puller like that, and then you just put them back in, pinch this, and lift it up like so. Okay, really simple. So this is where the fuse puller and the spare fuse. Okay, so these three and those two are spare fuse. Always follow where it's located on this. Okay, so anyway, I'm ready for a rainy day now, man. I'm cooking with gas. Okay, all right, so now I put this back. So you see this this plastic piece here is go up front. Okay, see on the back you just have two clip back here. Okay, so basically you align that clip and that clip up, then you push it down, it should snap in like that. Okay, all right, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.